before this video starts, as you can see in there is like the vlog section. Before this video starts, I tried to go as long as I could without telling you guys what the actual thing I got was. I'm gonna just straight up tell you because this is relevant to what I'm about to say. This is a gaming computer. Hold on, let me turn it on. It lights up. I think I can change the lighting once I'm actually connected to the internet, but that's my problem. My problem is that I cannot connect to the internet. I have to, hold on, let me turn it off. That's fucking annoying. You guys are about to see the full-on PC and everything in the video. The reason that I actually got this yesterday, yesterday. I got this on Monday. Monday, April 29th? Yeah, 29th, because today's the 30th. I got this on April 29th. It was delivered here on April 29th. Turns out, there's an Ethernet cord I need to connect to the back. Alright, and I need a router for it to plug into. I even tried plugging it into my PS4, and I tried making a proxy server on there. Not a proxy. I tried making a static IP on there. Static IP didn't work. I tried everything. I tried shit for a while. I was so stressed out. And then I called, shout out to Geek Squad. They're the people I called. But I called them, and they said there's this thing called a power line. Alright, where you plug one end into the router upstairs. My router's upstairs. It's not right here, or else I would already have my shit fixed. So yeah, it was a little delayed, and this video will probably, because the Ethernet cords are coming tomorrow on Wednesday, on May 1st. It's coming. So yeah, it might be this might be uploaded on May 1st for you, depending on how fast I edit it and get all my shit done. Probably be the next day. So probably upload on May 2nd, whatever day it is. I'm just letting you know this before the video starts, why it was so delayed. Now, thank you guys. This will be, I got an alarm. This will be my new webcam angle right here. There's a light right here. That's not on, but this will look all better with the light. Hold on, let me. How does that look? God damn. Yeah, this will be the new webcam angle right here when the computer is up and ready. So, oh crap, focus. Thank you guys so much for being patient with. For you guys that are patient with my PlayStation 4 videos, this will mean a lot. Getting this computer means a lot. Will like really improve my quality of all my videos and everything. They'll be much better, you know. So thank you guys so much for being patient with me, waiting till I save up enough money for this. And I'll see you all in the next video I make. Or no, I'll see you guys in the video. Guys, okay, so hold on. The other day, on Saturday, I ordered something. All right, ordered something very important. I don't know what title I chose for this. I was actually thinking about that. I'm like, well, I don't know what title I'm gonna choose. It's like a clickbaity title. That's all I know. So I'm actually really hyped because I've saved up a lot of money for this. I'm gonna just say the price. It's $500. Alright, that took a while to save. I'm so hyped because even if I didn't have a YouTube channel, this would be a great thing to have. Alright, well, I'll be going to school. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, now my house is just over there. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be there already, like if somebody already checked the mail and already came today, or I think it has to still be checked for it. But yeah, what I'm getting. Push and enters front door, by the way. See, look at. Whoa. And my room's over here. It's still a mess. Oh, that's probably what I should do, huh? While I'm waiting for it to come here, I should clean my room. So, yeah, I will be doing that, and, yeah, I'll see you guys when I have the computer. I don't know why it came in such a big box, but it's in here. Trust me. Alright, so, it is, yeah, we even checked inside to make sure it wasn't something else, and this was worth bringing in. But wait, here it is. Here's a sound foam thing that I could maybe use one day. Oh, here we go. Here's the free keyboard it came with. Right here. This is the same company, iBuyPower. Oh yeah, you guys know what it is. It is. You can't see it from here, but it is a gaming PC. This was $500. I almost said only $500, bro. Let's check this keyboard. I already have one, and this will probably just be an extra one, like that I might need later. So I'm gonna just like keep it somewhere. Yeah, cause that one like here is the Zeus E2 mouse. I might actually use this instead of that one, cause I didn't want to use this at first, cause I didn't think it had side buttons. Also, I don't know if it's wireless or not. Yeah, it's not wireless. But honestly, I don't think that matters as much. This mouse is so like way better. If it came with a mouse pad though, bro, that would have been the fucking best. This is the Zeus E2 optical gaming mouse by iBuyPower, and this is the iBuyPower Ares E1 gaming keyboard. This is the remote for the amount of lighting that the thing will have, because it's a light up. And here's the power cord. So yeah, this is the main stuff. I'll read those two. I read the manual and shit after I like open everything. All right, hold on. Let's move everything. Oh my god. They did say this was 30 pounds. I'm just trying to get it out. There we go. Righty then. Alpha A Raid Max. Right here, all specification, internal drive base. Wait. Okay, that's not. This doesn't matter to me as much. Warning: the product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Okay, so I think that's just if you eat it. So try not to eat this computer, and you won't have cancer, birth defects, and reproductive harm. Reproductive? Is that what it said? Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have a problem with your cum. You guys ready for this? Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this is kind of heavy. I don't want to drop this. Look at this. Is where it lights up inside. Peel this off. Oh, that's noteworthy. Let me just show you guys the inside of this computer right here. Whoa. Look at all that shit. It looks cooler in real life. Here's all the ports it has. As you can see here, we got that stuff. USB, that thing. Damn, alright, let's get this thing set up. Let's get this baby set up. I'm excited, dude. I'm fucking excited. I will be plugging this in. Hold on, this needs to move. Because I need to go back behind the desk. This is plugged in. And now, let's plug it into the actual thing. It is plugged in. You shitwad. My TV loves to fall over. You don't understand. You ready? I think the computer needs to be on. Oh, there might be something I'm missing. It is. It's flashing, dude. I held the button for long enough and it started flashing. Look at that. ASAP Rocky. Let's go, bro. Fucking go. Bro, my bed is a mess. Alright, here is the mouse. Oh, it looks pretty sick, honestly. Yeah, looks pretty lit. Bro, I'm excited. I'll keyboard. It's honestly pretty good, but like, I think I'm gonna stick with that one. I also like the feel of that one. It's all like, it's like floaty, you know, but this is honestly a really good gaming keyboard. Very excited. It says just a moment. Look at this. This looks sick, bro. Like, look at, I got my light up keyboard. I can change the light to this, whatever I want. And then I got this mouse. This mouse not only like looks cool, but it feels really good. It's honest, like it fits really perfectly for your hand. It's nice. Here it is, guys. I set Windows up and everything. Here is, hold on, I'm gonna plug it from the charger. Here is the setup. Put the foam right there. Here's the setup. Nice ass setup, but look at that, those floating keys, bro. Look at that. Hold on. Where's the remote? It's up here. I set it up here. Far remote no work. Anyway, yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys are enjoying, or do enjoy my setup. Yeah, it's getting back on. New video coming soon. New video coming soon, and it's actually gonna be good because I'll have an editing software and everything like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like button down below. Also, subscribe to my channel to see more videos. to see more of my videos and see what comes on this new computer. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!